Ever wondered about the journey of a jigsaw puzzle? It's a fascinating tale of concept to creation. First, an artist sketches the image, a canvas of beautiful chaos. This artwork is then transferred onto cardboard, a sturdy base for our puzzle. Next, a puzzle die, a sharp metal template, is carefully crafted, each piece unique, creating a map for our puzzle. The die is pressed onto the printed cardboard, cutting it into the intricate pieces we're all familiar with. Each piece is checked for quality, ensuring a perfect fit. Then the puzzle pieces are boxed and shipped around the world, ready for you to piece together. This intricate process, from an artist's vision to your living room, is what makes every puzzle a captivating journey. Like, subscribe, and for the next time, keep puzzling.